I face the ongoing challenge of digestive discomfort, particularly issues relating to bloating and pain. Now, these issues not only affected my physical well-being, but it's also had a big impact on my overall mood and daily activities. In the pursuit of a relief, I turned to Arabic gum as a natural remedy. Arabic gum is a plant-derived substance obtained from the Acacia senegal tree. Known for its prebiotic properties, Arabic gum is also known to help support gut health by promoting the growth of beneficial bacteria in the digestive system. This in turn has contributed to improved digestion, reduced my bloating, and helped with regular bowel movements. Now, incorporating Arabic gum into my routine has been transformative for my digestive health. In this video, I'm going to talk about a couple of things that Arabic gum has personally helped me with, and also a couple of important information you need to know if you want to use it correctly. It helped to address my digestive discomfort. Now, the issues that I was facing with is mainly bloating, and it has become a persistent issue for me. Also, the Arabic gum has helped me to have a more sustainable and natural approach to combat bloating. Also, upon researching natural remedies, I came across Arabic gum and its many benefits for the digestive health, and especially when it comes to prebiotic properties, and I decided to incorporate it into my daily routine by grinding Arabic gum into a powder and using half a teaspoon with water on an empty stomach every single morning. Now, alternatively, you could also purchase already grinded Arabic gum, and you could use it that way. Just put it with warm water in the morning or blend it with your morning shake or smoothie, and you would have a wonderful prebiotic source. The third benefit of Arabic gum is that it helps with giving you and providing you with a gentle and natural prebiotic, meaning that it provides you with the nourishment necessary to help in promoting beneficial good bacteria in the gut. And what this natural and gentle approach does is it helps with assisting your digestive system, and it appealed to me because it was a wonderful alternative to more harsher digestive supplements. It also helped to improve my gut microbiota. Now, with the consistent use of Arabic gum, what happened is I noticed positive changes in my gut health. The prebiotic properties seem to foster the growth of beneficial bacteria, leading to a more balanced and harmonious gut microbiota. And also it reduces the bloating for me, so I experienced less abdominal discomfort and a flatter stomach, which contributed to my overall sense of well-being and confidence. Also has a big role in helping with the feeling of fullness and helping with my appetite. Now, Arabic gum's ability to form a gel-like substance when mixed with water actually contributes to feeling fullness. Now, this not only supported better portion control, but also helped to curb unnecessary snacking. Would you try Arabic gum? Let me know in the comment section. I'd love to hear from you. And if you enjoyed today's video, like, share, and subscribe. I'd love to have you on board. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.